today we're looking at the chapter 7 of Git and GitHub Crash Course. And today we have a special guest with us called Vincent. And we are going to look at the staging files with Git add, how to save from our working directory to our staging area. Okay, so now let's go straight to it. The git add command moves changes from the local working directory to the staging area, essential for telling Git, I want to keep these changes in the next snapshot, which is the commit. Yeah. In this chapter, we also cover how to reverse the action by using the git reset. Just in case you've told Git that you wanted to save the snapshot and you want to reverse it, there's a way to reset. And the way to reset is by telling Git to reset. Okay. The key add. Okay. We have different variations of the git add of the and their scopes. Yeah, let's see the different variations of the command git add and the scope, how they work. Some of them are just local to the individual directories, and some of them are able to add externally to the entire project. So let's see the difference. How Git handle files, depends on the flags and the path that we add to it. So these are just flags. The one with the dash, the minus sign, and those keywords. Those are different types of flags. Okay. So we're trying all of these examples as well. We have git add, or you can also say git add with a capital A. So this one here is the same as one minus sign and then the capital A. I think this applies to different. For instance, even in Python, when you want to update or install in the terminal, we have to go to short form. Yeah, so this right here, to the short form of all is this capital A over here. So let's see, this stages every change across the entire directory, across the entire repository, sorry, regardless of your current directory. So it doesn't really look at only the single repository you are running the code to. It also saves externally. As far as the entire project is a Git directory. It has been initialized with Git. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's come here. So let's check the Git status. There's nothing to add yet, but let's make some changes. For instance, here we add world. We'll be adding. So when we use the okay, let's first check the stages. So I have staged everything using the dot sign. When we use the dot, we're referring to this current directory. But I wanted us to try the first example, which is to add everything. So now we'll create another directory, which is gonna be okay. Now this entire directory is here. Let's create another directory. Folder. Let's give it another name. Let's say basic. Let's do basic. And then within basic, let's create another file called maybe example txt. And within it, you just say example. So we can even see the color over here changes. In later chapters, we'll see the reason for this and Git. Okay. So now let's check the status again before we add now. Git status. Okay. Even with Git status, we also have a flag we can put in there.